Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just wanted to kind of share a little bit today. So, was getting a little frustrated, a little down. Then I just realized that, I don't know, there's 7,413 people here, and the secret. Everybody wants a secret. Everybody wants the one thing. Well, there is no such thing as that, but there only is just don't quit. Just don't give up. Just keep swimming. Had somebody go by me the other day that I've known a while, and I used to say that a lot. Just keep swimming. And they said it, and it reminded me. So I was just like, huh, they remembered that. So all right, this is what kind of like so I wanted to show this. So we did a video, would have been Thursday, and it was how nested list comprehension works. And in 3 days, I already have 67 views. So I actually have a video already out here. So this is kind of what I want to pose. Nested. And I kind of want to pose, should I be going back? So here we go. Nested list functions. So I've already surpassed, because how I came to this, because what I'm really, and I've decided we are going to do next video, a under the hood look at the product, because I think it is a very important piece of a program that you need to understand, because you're going to have a time that you're going to need to know how to do it. But this, I went back and I looked and I said, this is important, but I kind of need some help too here as well. Should I go back and make videos redoing the video, or should I, well, now if it's garbage, because I kind of looked at this one too and it wasn't that great, but now there's like one of my most popular videos, but the video quality is atrocious. So should I do a video showing you about videos that I've already done? Because I went back and looked, and I think in a month nobody had watched this nested list comprehension. And over the past 90 days, I think 4 people. So I really had a feeling it was, well, it's a little old. And I didn't have, I mean, over the past year and a half, I think I've gained 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers. And it really, and then I started getting comments on the Discord that how helpful this is. And that rejuvenated me. But you guys tell me how much you appreciate me. This isn't a one-way street. I want to tell you guys and make sure you guys always know how much I appreciate your time and energy, because your time is valuable too, that you're taking the time and spending it here and posting questions. Because look, I haven't learned anything in 44 years, is that if you ask the question, somebody else has that same question and either doesn't feel comfortable asking it, doesn't quite know how to ask it, and that helps somebody. And also it helps this channel, because I mean some of the past 2 weeks have all been ideas, concepts, things coming from this community, and I just want to tell you guys thank you. You guys keep me motivated, you guys keep me going, telling me how much this helps, and that just helps me. So to be honest, this is a very selfish thing. I learned that a long time ago volunteering, that I probably get more out of this than you do. So I want to tell you guys thank you. So there we go. Just keep swimming. 1 foot in front of the other each day, every time. If you just focus on that step, that mile is a little softer. So don't worry about that. Focus on the next step. And couldn't tell you more important, make sure you're joining the Discord, because not only if you keep in mind just that one step, but if you're in a group, if you are in this group, this is some of the, that's the reason why I made the Discord server. Because I started posting questions when I was learning on all these other groups, and well, did you look here? Well, did you look here? Gosh, you didn't even try to look. I didn't know where to look. I didn't even know what the starting point was. So just remember, you're not alone in this journey. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned until the end, because this is 863, video number, episode 863, which I cannot believe. So I really appreciate everything you guys do, share, and spend your time on. So see you guys tomorrow, and we'll look under the hood for the product function. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.